x minus a square. Okay. So now what you're going to do with this function center A? Can you write the function in term of okay, please. Okay, this is the formula. 3 factorial x minus a to the cube. Okay, again, I want to emphasize on n. N power of x minus a into n factorial. And again, this one here, n plus 1 to whatever this. In this case, I treat this one is something else rather than only the next term. So this one is the one we call a Lagrange error bound, a maximum error. Okay, in the lecture, the woman in the lecture she said m x minus a and plus 1. You try to understand this. So this one the error of the series. If you use only the few terms, so the whole thing here we call Sn. That means you use the n term to estimate the series. Instead of you add, you put like number e to the 1, right? So the value of e equals this 1 plus 1 plus 1 half plus 1 over 3 factorial plus 1 over 4 factorial. If you put infinity, then you have the value of the e, right? Which is 2 point something, right? Okay, so that's 2 point something. But if most of the case you cannot then add 1 over n factorial. So in the case here, you use only n term to estimate the whole series. So what is the error? This is the question of the error we call remainder, Rn. Okay, and what we mean by Sn plus Rn equal? What do you think? Equal what? No, in this case, just play with the note. Oh yeah, play the note, not En. Play the notation S here. Just S. S the whole sum.
The whole sum.
This is partial sum. N term and this is remainder. Okay. And okay, the maximum error. Okay, now here's the point. You don't know the value of the series. If you know, we don't work out. We assume we don't know. If you plug here, you don't know, right? And therefore you have to estimate the value, right? So you estimate value. The more sum you add, the more term you add, the better estimation, right? But the question here, if I add 10 terms, what is the error? You don't know. If you know error and you know the sum, right? What do you know here is the maximum error you can afford. So this one the maximum error I'm talking about.
Like all the terms.
One single term, if you're able to find something to get this one and one piece alone, you cannot have the error bigger than that one. The whole SRN here must be less than that one. So we call and it must be less than that. So this one we call Lagrange. Lagrange error bound or maximum error. Okay, this one the piece is very
Does it have to be
important.
n plus 1?
What?
X minus a to the power of n plus 1. Does it have
Yeah,
to be?
because you use Sn to estimate the sum, right?
Mhm.
So the next one decide
Oh.
the error possible, the maximum error. They don't give you error because if you know the error and you know the series, it's all about the all about the estimation, approximation. Okay, the whole series we learn later on is we don't know the answer, but you do know if you need the error less than certain number, how many terms you need. That's what you have. For example, if I want to know this error here is less than 0.01, how many terms I need to get that error? Okay, something like that. Okay, but we do not know We don't know about this, but we know maximum. This one can be greater than this. Okay. Okay, that's all. I think you keep working on the reading. Okay. Okay, thank you. I think very much we done for this year. I give both of you. Okay, in the final, I put both of the tests, right? Right. So both of the tests you check, or you already know the question I asked, right? If you check the calculus test, you say, oh, I forgot a lot of it. It's too difficult. Just try the other one. Okay. I'm very nice because I really want to go the other way. It's not gonna hurt. I already bring out the test here. You know beforehand right here. Look like it. Give me right, okay, because I have to turn, take a look at this, and I have to turn this on to the office. This one, no before, okay? And the other one you don't know, be careful of the other one, it can be hard. Really hard. Yeah, it's really, really hard. You know.